see. This is how it is. Ooh.
I cannot talk.
Cheers, guys.
Subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Mike and Lera food channel. Hope guys you're having a nice day. And in our menu today, beef zrazy stuffed with mushrooms and onion. It's very delicious and simple dish. This word zrazy comes from the Polish language and represents a cutlet with filling. And before we start, I want to remind you that the ingredients you will find in the description below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. Let's begin. Add garlic to minced meat, pepper, salt, 1 egg. Mix all together very well. Chop 1 onion, cut mushrooms, put little bit olive oil and start frying onion. In 10 minutes add mushrooms and fry all together. Form a cutlet and put the filling inside. And after close the cutlet. Roll in flour and repeat the same with the rest of minced meat. I'm using coconut oil, it gives very nice flavor. Put all cutlets inside pan. We will need around 1 hour 15 minutes. Turn cutlets several times during cooking. In the middle of cooking, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 200 grams of water. And bon appetit!
This is how it is. Ooh. Mmm.
I cannot talk. It's really very tasty. In Russian it sounds zrazy. In English it's cutlets with filling.
So tasty.
Cheers.
We're hungry.
How like this, huh?
Cheers, guys. Water and lemon, as always. This is our lovely basket, which has to be on the table every single time.
Yeah, it should be.
Every
Without
meal.
this, no food.
Apart from breakfast. Mushrooms giving very nice flavor inside as well. Even the sauce is like this, nice. Smashing. It's filling actually this. So what do we got here in this magic box?
Редисочку.
Lettuce.
Inside, please, I forget about it. Yes, give me one. For mouth. Когда я ем вот так вот все с зеленью, с помидорами, с редиской, с луком, это напоминает мне, как на даче у родителей. Это самое то. Без этого никуда.
Can add vodka even sometimes.
big piece. Because I'm hungry. I cannot. I'm Russian, but I don't want Russian. You're Russian? I know what you want to tell. Yes, I'm Russian. You're Russian.
It's okay, guys. Sarcasm goes in the family.
Without it will be boring. But it's nice sarcasm. It's not bad.
Yeah.
For me the same thing. Okay, wait. Yes, like this.
Nice one.
It's like already there, I don't know. You can do. I mean the color, more green something.
Something more green?
For me. Oh, this one, I like
Good.
it. Half for you, Tony.
Oh, you have one small for.
I just wanted to say.
Say. Today, huh?
Huh?
Say today, yeah.
Today, of course, not tomorrow.
Tell us exactly what you want to see. Maybe you want some recipe to try. Something else. We'll do our best to make it.
Me. Joke. Of course, that's a joke.
There is a lot of plans for this channel anyway.
You cook very well. I know this.
You would see me cooking. You will see. We'll try to make some. I don't know, competitions maybe between us.
Challenge.
We'll see some challenges, some other stuff. See you guys next time.
Like, share, and comment. See you next time.
The porridge is.
That's the point. This is the best part when it's like this, mixed like this. Moment of silence.
Let me share with you at least one, huh? No, please, пожалуйста.
You shared already with them.
Like, share, and subscribe. Guys, subscribe to our channel.
Don't leave me anymore.
From this day, no more food for you. Proszę.
Our cook.
You said don't give me any more, okay?
Our cook. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now very tasty. Amazing. Good.